Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews, and today I'm reviewing this water bottle from Hydration Nation. Thank you, Hydration Nation, for the sample. It's beautiful, really nice. It's metal, it's pretty tough. I like the black color. Has a silver top, and then this top you would just, turn it like that to open it. So yeah, so that's what it looks like on the inside. It has this little plastic. I haven't taken it off. I just unboxed it. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It's 32 ounces. It also comes with a few things. Let me show you. So you have the water bottle. Also comes with two straws like this. That's what it look like. You have the straws. Also comes with this top that you can use. So that's nice too. So if you want to use this one, maybe for a child, or if they want to use it out so they don't make a big mess. And you also have this top also. So it comes with both of these tops. So that's pretty cool. So and then let me also show you the box. So it also comes in this box like this. At least this one does. So I'm sure different colors and styles will be different. And that's what it looks like inside. So yeah, that's the box. So it's pretty nice. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you check it out and stay hydrated.